Hi YouTube, it's Chris and I'm back in my Tesla Model 3 SR Plus. And if you remember recently, I installed the Hansshow audio upgrade kit. Mine was called the professional upgrade kit, which was first gen. They've since come out with new units, and they contacted me and let me know that over the Black Friday, they're going to be doing a 25% discount on that product. I've got my promotion link in the below. So if you were planning on getting this product for your Tesla Model 3 SR Plus, that's a great time to order. So I believe their sale goes between the 20th and the 30th of November. So that's going to save you a whole bunch. I wish I had that when I ordered this kit. But it sounds great. I've now had it, I don't know, a month or so, and everything's fine. I played a bit of music there, and I hopefully there's no copyright issue. But anyway, yeah. And if anybody got the Gen 2 kit, I'd really love to hear how your installation went or how the product's going. So let me know. Anyway, check Hansshow out and see if there's a kit there that you're looking for, and order between the 20th and 30th, I believe, before their sale runs out. Anyway, until next time, talk to you later.